When I say this nail haul eats down, this nail haul eats down. So let's get into it. Hey Chalk Nation, I am back with another video. Y'all gonna love this one right here, cause girl, let me put my glasses on. Make sure y'all put y'all glasses on too, so y'all can see these nails real good, cause we finna get into it. Okay, y'all got y'all glasses on? Okay, let's get into it. Let me tell you a little bit about this nail haul. So these nails in this haul are from SHEIN's Handmade press-on nail section. They have a specific section on there that has handmade acrylic and gel nails. These are not like your regular standard press-on nails. They are very durable. They last long. If you remove them correctly and put them back in the package, you can wear them again another time. So they're very durable. They're very strong. They're thick. They are literally luxury handmade press-on nails ready for you to put on. You don't have to put no gel top coat or anything over them. They're already made for you to wear. Okay, I got all my nails in a size large. I have kind of wide nail beds. I always get a size large. If you have smaller nail beds, you may want to go with a medium or a small. They do have a section on the Handmade nail side that shows you how to size your nails. If you are unsure how to size your nails, I'll put some pictures up and you can kind of go off of that, and it'll show you how to size your nails so you can pick the correct nail size for your nail beds. They don't go by length, they go by the size of your fingers. So they go from small, medium, and large. I get a large because I have wide nail beds, and the large has never failed me. But like I said, make sure you use the size guide if you're unsure, because these nails fit my nail beds. Not everybody's fingers are the same. So make sure once you click on a set of nails that you like, swipe through the pictures and they'll have a size guide to show you how to size your nails so that you can pick the correct nail size for your fingers. But let's get into this first set. So it's definitely giving spring and summer. I love the colors. Like, these are so pretty. I'm getting over a cold, so that's why my voice is a little raspy. But look at how beautifully made these nails are. They're thick and durable. Like, let me take one off. They come on this sticky pad. They only come with 10 nails. That's why it's very important for you to pick the correct nail size, because if one size don't fit, that's just it. If your nails are a little bit too big when you get them, you can always take a nail file and file around the cuticle area and the sides to, you know, kind of make the nails smaller to fit your nail beds. If you buy them and they're too small, there's not really much you can do. So I would say just size up just in case. But large has never failed me. That's why I stick with the large. But let me just take one off so y'all can see, because these are so pretty. They come on this sticky pad for you and you just take them off. This is the thumbnail. Look at how pretty it is. Look at how thick, and like you cannot bend these easy at all. Like, it is not bending. That's what I love about the handmade nails. They're a little bit more expensive than your regular standard press-on nails, but they are so worth the price. Because look at how bomb, like, oh my goodness. And yes, large fits over my nail perfect, from sidewall to sidewall, around the cuticle area. Yes, so this set is for my long nail girlies. My girlies that like that extra long length. Yeah, this set is so pretty. I highly recommend. And if you don't know how to apply your press-on nails, I have plenty of tutorials on my channel, and every time I put on a set, I do a tutorial anyway, so don't even trip. I got you. That's what I'm here for. That's what my channel is here for. But yes, these are so pretty. So this is what the nails were giving on the app. They were only $9.30, and I must say they look so much better in person. I am satisfied. I am happy. I am loving these nails. Okay, y'all, now this is the first for me. I have ordered plenty of press-on toenails, but I've never ordered the handmade press-on toenails. So I ordered some handmade press-on toenails, and these are super cute. I got these in a size large as well, as you can see. My toenail beds are kind of wide too, so I was like, let me just get a large. I don't even know if these are gonna fit my toes. I haven't tried them on or anything. I'm literally just opening them right now with y'all. But let's get into them and see what they're looking like. Okay, so of course they come with the nail file and then the nail stickers. I'm not sticking my toenails on because no. What if one of my toenails pop off? I will be gluing these things down, just like I glue my nails down on my hands. But these are so pretty. The big toenail does look a little bit wide, but mine, I swear, my big toenail is wide like this. So I think the large is gonna fit my toes good. They only come with 10. I love how shiny and pretty they are. I love the 3D flower here. We got an orange French tip on the big toe, and then we got some cheetah print with this little cute design for the next toe. And I love this gold bling that's on the middle toe, and then we have a gold kind of 3D look for this one. I love this. And then we have a hot pink pinky pinky toenail. Like, these are so pretty. I will be doing a tutorial on these to show y'all how they fit on my toenails, so stay tuned. And I think I'm gonna make this like a whole set, so this could be like, these toenails go so well with these. I'm gonna just turn this into a nail and toenail set, and we're gonna put these on together in another video. So make sure y'all stay tuned and make sure y'all subscribe and hit that notification bell if you are not already subscribed to my channel, because y'all not going to miss this video. Okay, I will be doing a video on this put together nail and toenail set soon. But yes, so this is my first time ordering handmade press-on toenails, and I'm kind of excited about that because I always order the regular toenails and they fit my nail beds pretty good, but they kind of thin. They'll kind of crack if you're not careful. I wear tennis shoes a lot, so since these are a lot more thicker and more durable, I was like, why not give it a shot? So we're gonna see what the handmade press-on toenails do. Like, how perfect does that go together? I mean, from this little gold flower kind of looking like this one, and this has gold details on these nails as well. So this is gonna be so cute together. So are y'all enjoying the video so far? Oh, you are? Okay, let me know in the comments. Drop a comment and let me know. We need some engagement on this channel, so let me know. Give me your feedback. But let's get into the next set. So this set right here, so cute. I live for a nail set that got some lips on it. This is not my first nail set that I got that had lips on them, but I just think it's such a cute detail, and these are so well made. I love the 3D lips, and we got some bling on the teeth, like teeth and lips on the nails. Like, come on, are y'all kidding me? These are so cute. I love the colors. I love the 3D stars. We got some bling on the thumbnails, and these are a short ducky. If I do short nails, they will be a short duck nail. Okay, I don't like regular square short nails. My hands are already small, so I just feel like short nails make my hands look even more stubby. But I do like to go short from time to time. But if I'm gonna go short, it's going to be a duck nail. Okay, I'm a long nail girl at heart, but when I go short, it's gonna be a duck. Quack quack. But yes, get into these. These are so cute. I love the nude color here. We got some bling around the thumb. We got some, you know, kind of like Lisa Frank kind of animal print on the tips of these. And the lips and the teeth are the star of the show on these nails. These are so cute, very well made. Like, let me just take one off. Like, get into this. This is too cute. I think that was for the middle finger, so let's see. And yes, it fits perfectly. That is so cute. And of course, I'm gonna do a video on these too. Anytime I put a set on, I'm doing a video, so just be prepared for me to be dropping some videos, because yeah, these are too cute. I am such a stiletto nail girl, okay? And this is like a medium stiletto nail set. Medium length, size large. And when I saw these, I was like, oh yeah. I love like the gold and metallic looking like magenta color on these nails. And then we have like this really pretty peachy and gold orange looking color. Like, this set is so pretty and unique. Get into the details. Like, it's the details for me. It's always the details for me, especially when it comes to the handmade nails. It be the details and how much like effort that they put into these nails, and for the price, it's like you cannot beat it. Because if you were to get a nail set like this done at the salon or by a nail tech, you're gonna be paying $100 or more, because the girls are not cheap. The girls be charging, okay? They want every penny of their effort, and I'm not blaming them for that. But it's like, girl, when I discovered these handmade nails, I wasn't going to the nail salon before, but I'm really not going now. I'm really not going to get my nails done when I could just buy these already made. And they so pretty. Like, just get into them. Like, oh my goodness. Let me just I gotta take one off. Let me just take one off. This is the thumbnail too. But like, look at this. And they always fit my nail beds like so perfectly. So pretty. Yeah, y'all need these nails in your life. Don't deprive yourself. Okay? All the nails will be linked in the description, by the way. But these are so bomb. Yes, it's another duck nail set. Yes, it is. Prepare to be sick of me in these duck nails. Like, I'm sorry. I love the duck nails. And these are so cute. So these have like silver bling details on them with the beautiful colors. It's all about the colors for me in spring and summer, because everything is so beautiful and bright. And you know, during spring and summer, I just love all the colors, the pinks, the blues, the yellows, orange. Like, I love this. That's the season that I step into my colors for sure. So these have like kind of a animal print on the tip in different colors, and then it has like this beautiful 3D silver blinged out butterfly, and we got some stars. Like, get into them. Like, how beautiful are these? These are so cute, so pretty, perfect for the spring and summer. Okay, now when I saw these, they did not look like they were going to be this long. Like on the app, they look long, but they didn't look like they was gonna be this long. Like this gotta be an XXL length. And I never wear my nails this long, but girl, I'm putting these nails on. I don't even care. I wasn't expecting them to be this long, but let's get into them. Girl, look at these. Look at these. Look at all the detail. The 3D flowers, the bling, the colors, the shine. Like, if you think I ain't finna put these on, I don't even care. I will adjust to how long they are because that's how bomb these are. Like, come on, SHEIN. Y'all killing me. Y'all killing me. So these are like XXL length. I thought they were maybe like an extra long, but these are extra long. But if you think I ain't putting these on, you tripping. But get into them. They are so pretty. And for the price, child, for the price, you cannot beat the price. That's what amazes me every time is the price of these nails. Like, to spend $10 or less, or even if they was $15, like this set of nails done at the salon would cost you $200 or more easy. So like, girl, I'm putting y'all on. This is for the girlies that like the XXL length nails, and you don't want to pay that XXL length price with the nail tech or the nail salon with all these designs and bling and everything on them. You better get these nails on SHEIN. Y'all better stop playing and get with the program. And this is what the nails were giving on the SHEIN app. And they were only $8.43. And I don't care how long they are. I'm rocking these nails. I hope you guys enjoyed this nail haul. Please drop a comment, like this video, and subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed to my channel yet and you have made it through this whole video. What you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe to my channel and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you do not miss any of my videos, and you'll be notified every time I drop a new one. Also, make sure you guys check the description box for links to all the nails in this haul. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.